Yes. So kids, now let's start our class. Okay, so we are going to start our class with welcome song. Okay, so come on, let's start. You all have to sing along with ma'am. Start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. All right, kids. So, kids, after welcome song, we are going to sing God's love. Okay? So, come on, let's start and sing God's love. Start. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love, God's love. It's so wonderful, God's love. It's so wonderful, God's love. It's so wonderful love. All right, kids. So I welcome you again to this new and beautiful day. So, kids, today is the last day of the month. Yes, June is going on, है ना? So today is the last day of the June. Today the date is 30th June 2021. 30th June 2021. Today is the last day of the June. Okay, and the day is Wednesday. What is the day today? Wednesday. All right. So kids, yes. So today is Saksham's birthday. Today is Saksham's birthday. So we are going to sing birthday song for Saksham first. Okay, let's start. You all have to join, ma'am. Okay, we are going to sing birthday song for Saksham. Start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Saksham. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Saksham. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Saksham. Yes, so Saksham, say thank you, everyone. Unmute and say thank you to your friends.
Say thank you, everyone.
You only have to say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
All right, Saksham. May God bless you and make all your wishes come true. All right. Now, kids, come on, let's start our class. Okay. So, kids, yes, everyone, pay attention. Today, we are going to do a new concept. So, everyone, pay attention here. Yes. अगर किसी को समझ में नहीं आता है तो you can ask me. All right. So, today, kids, we are going to learn blends. Yes. So today we are going to learn about blends. So what are blends? Blends मतलब when we join two letters together. जब हम किसी दो letters को साथ में मिलाते हैं and उन दोनों letters का sound हमें सुनाई देता है. For example, look. Which letter is this? B. है ना? And this is L. So when we add B and L together, जब हम B के साथ L को मिलाएंगे, तो it is blend. B का साउंड है ब and L का साउंड है ल. तो हम दोनों के साउंड को मिलाकर बोलेंगे ब्ल, है ना? ब्ल. The sound of B is b and the sound of L is l. So when we add both the letters together, जब हम दोनों लेटर्स को साथ में मिलाएंगे तो दोनों के साउंड हमें सुनाई देंगे ब एंड ल. ब्ल. बोलो एवरीवन, स्पीक. ब एंड ल. ब्ल. So this blur is blend. This is known as blend. जब हम टू लेटर्स को साथ में मिलाते हैं एंड दोनों लेटर्स के साउंड को बोलते हैं, तो दैट इज नोन एज ब्लेंड. ऑलराइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब मैंने बी को हटाकर मैम ने यहाँ पर एफ लगा दिया. ठीक है, एफ एंड एल. तो व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ एफ? फ, है ना? एफ का साउंड क्या है? फ. एंड व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ एल? ल. अब हम फ और ल दोनों को साथ में मिलाएंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? फ्ल. स्पीक एवरीवन. जब हम फ एंड ल दोनों को साथ में मिलाएंगे तो क्या बनेगा? व्हेन वी ऐड टू लेटर्स टुगेदर, so it becomes fla. So this is blend. Okay, blending of two letters, mixing of two letters. It is known as blend. अब मैम ने F हटाकर यहाँ पर लगाया G. Okay, so what is the sound of G? G का साउंड क्या है? G. What is the sound of G? G. And what is the sound of L? La. Okay, now we are going to blend these two letters together. अब हम इन दोनों लेटर्स को साथ में मिलाएंगे तो दोनों लेटर्स के साउंड भी हम साथ में बोलेंगे, है ना? तो G का ग और L का ला. ग ला, ग्ल. ठीक है, बोलो ग्ल. ग ला ग्ल. Like this. ठीक है, this is blends. When we add two letters, और उन दोनों लेटर्स को मिलाकर जब हम बोलेंगे तो दैट इज अ ब्लेंड. दोनों लेटर्स के साउंड हमें अलग अलग सुनाई देने चाहिए. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन मोर आई हैव. यस, अब हमने एल के साथ मिलाया एस. ठीक है, अब हमें एस के साथ एल को ब्लेंड करना है. वी हैव टू ब्लेंड एस विथ एल. ओके, so what is the sound of S? S का साउंड क्या है? स. ठीक है, S का साउंड स एंड L का साउंड ल. तो दोनों मिलकर क्या बनेंगे? स ल स्ल. ठीक है, स ल स्ल. So these are blends. All right. Now I'll show you here also. जब हम B के साथ L मिलाएंगे तो it becomes blur. ब्ल, जैसे ब्लैक, है ना? अंडरस्टैंड? आपको समझ में आ रहा है? जैसे ब्लैक, ब्लैक में ब्ल आ रहा है, लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज ब्लेंड. देन व्हेन वी ऐड C with L, तो C का साउंड होता है क और L का साउंड होता है ल. तो क और ल मिलाएंगे जब हम तो बन जाएगा क्ल. क्ल, जैसे क्ले, क्लाउन, है ना? तो दिस इज क्ल. ऑलराइट, so these are blends. When we add two letters together, when we mix two letters together और उन दोनों लेटर्स के साउंड को हम साथ में बोलेंगे तो they are known as blend. ल, बोलो ल, क्ला. Now we add F with L. तो F का साउंड होता है फ और L का साउंड होता है ल. तो जब हम फ और ल को मिलाएंगे तो इट बिकम्स फ्ला. फ ल फ्ला. All right. Flour, flour, floor, fly. देखो सब में flour है. Fly, flour, floor. All right. So these are blends. So come on, everyone, get your English copy. Get your English copy. Now today we are going to write the blends. आपको मैम ने blends बताया. Blends का मतलब होता है दो letters को साथ में मिलाना. Okay? When we add two letters together, उन दोनों के sound जब हम साथ में बोलेंगे, for example, b, l, bl. जब हम उन दोनों letters के sound को साथ में बोलेंगे, so that is known as blend. Bl, cl, fl, gl, like this. All right. So now get your English copy and write down today's date. That is 30/6/2021. You have to write down the date on the top left corner of your copy. Yes. So first of all, in the copy, you have to write down the blends, and then afterwards, we have to underline the blends in the words. First of all, you write down the blends, the date on the top left corner. I have written the date here also, 30/6/2021. Today is the last day of the month June. All right. So, come on, let's start. Shall we start now? All right. So, number one, the first one is, I think all have set copies with you. But in case if anyone don't have the set copies, then I'm going to write it on the board. You have to copy in your notebook. All right? So, the first one, C plus L. C plus L. So C का sound है क and L का sound है ल. जब हम क और ल को साथ में मिलाएंगे, so it becomes club. So you have to write two times. CL club. CL club. Okay. Club. बच्चों, you have to say and write C and L. C sounds k and L sounds l. So it becomes club. Club. So yes, so you have to write the words. The first one is, the word which starts with claw is clay. Cloud. And cloud. So ये जो words हैं, in this word you have to underline the blend. आपको इन words में blend को underline करना है. You have to underline the blend. Cloud. ठीक है? So underline the blend claw. जहाँ जहाँ claw लिखा है, clay, cloud, cloud. All right. CL club. Say and write. Say and write. C sounds k and L sounds l. तो क एंड ल को जब हम मिलाएंगे तो इट बिकम क्ला, क्ले, क्लाउड, क्लाउन. What is clown? Joker. Okay, the another name for joker is clown. Okay. Now, the next one. Yes. Now the next one is हम C को हटाकर यहाँ पर B लगाएंगे. B, दिया B with L. B, L. So B sounds B and L sounds L. तो जब हम दोनों लेटर्स को मिलाएंगे B and L, तो B sounds B and L sounds L. So B and L becomes L. L. ठीक है? In blanks, we can hear both the sound of letters. Look, those who haven't set the copies or those who don't have the set copies with them, you have to set the copy in this way. Okay? As I am writing in the same pattern. All right? Yes, Prajwal. Where are you? Unmute. Yes, ma'am.
मैम वो कॉपी सेट करी है उसमें तो मैम ऐसे CL वाली लिखने की जगह ही नहीं है मैम.
Means, ma'am, show the copy to me.
यस मैम. मैम यहाँ पे लिखना है.
Yes, ma'am. You have to write there only.
यहाँ पे.
Yes,
अच्छा.
ma'am.
Okay मैम.
The words,
Okay.
जो words start हो रहे हैं उनके पहले you have to write. Make a line there.
Okay,
अगर वहाँ line नहीं है तो, ठीक है मैम?
Okay. Okay मैम.
Okay, these are blanks. When we add two letters together, और जब हम दोनों letters के sound को मिलाकर बोलते हैं, तो that is blend. B and L, blur, blur. अब blur से आपको word लिखना है, black, blue and blue. Yes. So in the same way जैसे हमने क्ल वाले words में क्ल को underline करा था, in the same way after writing the blur here, you have to underline the blend in the words. ठीक है? जैसे black का blend क्या है? Blur. Blow. What is the blend of blow? Blur. And what is the blend of blue? Blur. ठीक है? So you have to underline the blends. Alright? हमको दोनों लेटर्स के साउंड को ऐड करना है, ब्लेंड करना है, मिक्स करना है. ओके? बोथ द साउंड्स. We have to say both the sounds together. क, ल, प्ल. क, ल, क्ल. Now, the next one is, now we add F with L. F plus L. So, what is the sound of F? F. And L sounds L. So, we have to add F and L. So, it becomes Pl. Pl. ठीक है? जब हमने फ और ल को साथ में मिलाया, तो it becomes Flock. Like flag, flock, and flower. So in the same way, you have to underline the blends here. Yes, ma'am. Navya's mother, if the child has space in the copy, so then child should write it 2 times. Otherwise, write it 1 time. Yes, Myra's mother. Ma'am, unmute. Myra's mother. Unmute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any problem?
मैम यस मैम मैम मैं ये बोल रही थी पीडीएफ आप एक दिन पहले भेजा करिए ना
मैम तो बट बच्चों की कॉपीज तो सेट है ऑलरेडी.
हाँ बट फिर भी जैसे जैसे अपन को पता रहता है ना कि आज क्या होना है तो अपन उसके हिसाब से कॉपियां रखते हैं बच्चों के पास में ऐसे बुक्स ढूंढनी पड़ती हैं अपने को.
All right, ma'am. Let's see. Ma'am, actually, during lockdown, copy set नहीं होती थी. That's why we are sending the PDF 1 day prior. We'll see, ma'am. We'll see. Okay.
ओके थैंक यू. स्लो बोलो.
Come on, kids.
Okay.
Say and write. Ma'am, kindly mute yourself. Yes, thank you. Yes, Rakshansh. Yes, ma'am. Unmute. Yes.
मैम एक्चुअली रक्षा की कॉपी नहीं है इसलिए मतलब पीडीएफ अगर 1 डे और 1 डे है ना तो मैम कॉपी सेट कर दे वो बात है तो पीडीएफ एक दिन ले आया ना तो
Ma'am, we'll see about it. Okay. All right. So kids, CL block, DL block, FL block, FL block.
मुझे बेटा देखो ना हाँ
Say and write. Kids, because this is a new concept, you have to say and write. Okay? Parents, kindly make sure that they say the blend and then write in the copy. Now, 4. Yes. Now, we add G with L. अब हमने L के साथ G को ऐड करा, blend करा. So, what is the sound of G? G. And what is the sound of L? La. So, G, L, gl. ठीक है? G का sound होता है g and L का sound होता है l. So, when we add g and l together, so it becomes gl. Gl. ठीक है? जैसे blue होता है, glow होता है, alright? Glass होता है, glass, है ना? G, L, gl. G, L, gl. G, L, gl. Okay, so these are blends. When we blend 2 letters together, so they are blends. तो दोनों ही letter के sound हमें सुनाई देंगे. Like G says G and L says L. So G and L becomes L. Okay, so like glass, glue, and glue. Glass, glue, glue. So in the same way as we done earlier, आपको यहाँ पर words में blend को you have to underline. So glass, glue और glow में कौन सा blend है? Yes, glue. So you have to underline the blend glue here. CL glue, DL glue, FL glue, GL glue. These are blends. Okay. Now, okay, now listen everyone. Now, अब हम L के साथ T ऐड करेंगे. T. So, T का साउंड क्या होता है? What T says? T sounds for and L sounds L. So when we add for and L together, so it becomes L. L. T says for and L says L. So when we add for and L together, it becomes L. L. तो प्लस से कौन से वर्ड्स आते हैं? प्लेट, प्लम, है ना? प्लेट, okay? So in this also you have to underline the blends. So what is the blend in plate, plate and plum? Yes, it is plum. So you have to underline plum. Okay? TL claw, DL claw, FL claw, GL claw and TL claw. Now the last one is S plus N. So the sound of S is S and L says L. So when we add S and L together, it becomes L. L. Okay? SL, L. SL, L. Okay, you have to write the blends 2 times and then underline the blends in the given word. Plate, slide, and slipper. So, in तीनों words में what is the blend? Plate, slide, and slipper. Yes. So, slow you have to underline. Plate, slide, slipper. So, in 3 of the words, the blend is slow. Slow. Okay. So, you have to underline the blend. Again, come on, repeat with ma'am. Repeat with ma'am. C L club. C L club. B L block. B L block. F L floor. F L floor. G L glove. G L glove. P L floor. P L floor. And S L floor. S L floor. So these are blends. All right. Now, all right, Purvi, the last column words are slate, slide, and slipper. Slate, slide, and slipper. Okay? All right. Now, kids, wait for your turn. I'm going to check everyone's copy one by one. Yes, Drishya. And one more thing, parents. If the meeting ends in between, so assume it as a screen break. ठीक है? अगर बीच में चेक करते वक्त मीटिंग ओवर हो जाती है, एंड हो जाती है, तो assume it as a screen break. Then we'll start our class after 10 minutes. Okay? Yes, Drishya. Nice. Drishya, write the blanks 2 times later. Okay, nice, very nice, good. Yes, now, Saksham. All right, Saksham, nice. And Gaurav. Gaurav, take your copy to middle. All right, Gaurav, nice, good. Yes, Himanshi. Okay, Himanshi, you have to underline the blends also. जो words दे रखे हैं, उनमें आपको blends को underline करना है. Now, who else want to show the copy? Yes, Rachel, show. Rachel, take your copy to the middle. Okay, Rachel, nice. Now, Uday, those who have shown their copy, kindly switch off your camera. All right, Uday, nice. Khushi. All right, Khushi. Yes, ma'am. Wait. You want to ask the last line, no? The last words are slate, slide, and slipper. Kritika's mother. Slate, slide, and slipper. Yes, Shreyash. All right, nice, Shreyash. Very good. And Rakshansh. Okay, Rakshansh. Nice, beta. Try to write in a line. ठीक है? एक के नीचे एक आपको लिखना है in a proper line. Very good. And who else have completed? Paki. Parents, anyone have any problem related to blends? Any problem related to blends? You just have to ask the kids to say the sound of the letters, and then after it, they have to add the sound. Yes, Paki. Nice. Good. David. All right, David. Good. And Chaitya. Show. Chaitya. Okay, ma'am. Yes, good, Chaitya. Sarthak. All right, Sarthak. Nice. And Purvi. Okay, you have not completed. All right, then Shreyash. All right. Prajwal. Yes, Prajwal, good. Myra. Myra, show your copy, beta. Myra, show your copy. Okay. Myra, there's a space, no? So you have to write the blends 2 times. आपने जो CL क्ल लिखा है उसे 1 more time लिख लो. ठीक है? And Limakshi. Chaitya's mother, ma'am, just wait. Okay, Limakshi, good. Columbi. All right, Jeet. Jeet, very good. Yes, Navya. Okay, Navya. Columbi, show yours. All right, Columbi, good. Gravel. Yes, Gravel, good, beta. Mishti. Yes, Mishti, good. Kritika's mother, just wait, ma'am. Ma'am, you can do one thing. After cloud, clown is written, clown. All right, ma'am. Kritika's mother, clown is there. Yes. So, anyone else? Anev, Kanishk, Bhavika, show the copy. And those who have shown their copy, kindly switch off your video and take a screen break. All right, Shreyansh, good. Jasdeep. Jasdeep, बेटा आपको जो आगे वर्ड्स लिखे हैं उनमें you have to underline the blends. जैसे clay, cloud और clown लिखा है तो उसमें आपको क्ल को अंडरलाइन करना है. Jasdeep, okay? You have to underline the blends as well. All right. And Anev, yes, Anev, show. All right, Anev. Yes, Karunya. Okay. Advika, show Advika. नीचे करिए मैम. Okay, Advika. If the meeting ends in between, kindly assume it is a screen break. We'll join the class after 10 minutes. Yes, Bhavika. Good. Vansh. Good.